Hello, my name is Devan, and I'm a rising junior at Lowell High School in San Diego. And for the last and final time, this is my project, the Arduino Obstacle Avoiding Robot for the remote program of Milestone Engineering 2020. I'm coming to everyone here post Bootcamp about 2 weeks after session 2 is ended. Without any notes, I'm just gonna go proceed and tell you what I've been doing. So basically, I had a break in between, and I've been working on other stuff with school and for people who are watching this in the future, the coronavirus pandemic still is keeping everyone inside. So I am at home trying to accomplish other things, but I came back to Bootcamp a couple of days ago just to finish my project like I said I would. And like the process before, I ran into issues, a lot of issues. So essentially, I wanted to attach a camera, which looks like this, to my car and then have it transmit the photo to this phone right here. And when I started this, I was thinking, I had issues with the Bluetooth module before. What wouldn't stop that from happening? What would stop that from happening again? And the same problems happened. So I tried multiple approaches again, and I had to solder different wires together. And we finally got the parts needed. So I got the SIM card, the adapter, the breakout board, extra jumper wires, and this thing is not working. So I've tried a bunch of ways. The main problem from what I can diagnose is that my Arduino is actually full. All of the digital ports are full, and the analog ports are the only ones I can use. And, these are kind of knockoff brands because Bootcamp had to do their best to get everyone materials on time. And but these analog ports, unfortunately, did not work. So I had an option to leave my project as it is, which I didn't state before, but my project 2 weeks after I've ended Bootcamp is still great. Everything is great. So there's no problems with it, and I'm thinking I've added at least, I want to say, between 12 and 16 new wires, just because this camera requires a lot of resistors and wiring to both the breakout board and the breadboard and the Arduino, so it all just piles up, and now everything looks so confusing and overload. So I had two options. So I either could continue with an Arduino Mega, which is a separate Arduino board that is much larger and would have a very difficult time fitting on my car, and make it even heavier, or I can just let it be. This is an amazing project, and I finished, and I've accomplished a lot. And so I decided to just let it be because this camera, from what I read, also causes a lot of problems. So I just want to leave my car, and yes, it would have been cool to have that extra rover-like feature by adding a camera, but it is what it is. The engineering is about pushing forward and facing adversity and kind of overcoming those obstacles, but it's also about knowing when something isn't going to work out and you need to try a different approach, or maybe move on to more things. It's not the end of the world, and you're gonna fail, but it's all about what you learn from this. What I've learned from this is so much, and I can take what I've learned and move on to much more advanced projects. So I leave you with that. I just wanted to say that Bootcamp was an amazing experience. Even though it was virtual, it was still very rewarding. They did a great job. Shout out to my instructors, Ari for session 1 and Rachel for session 2, and the directors, which were Jesse and Brianna, and to the co-founders, Dave and Robin. And thank you for everything, Bootcamp, and I hope future students learn from my mistakes, but I really want them to just be better than what I did. I want people to learn from what I did, both good and bad, because I had a lot of accomplishments, and learn and do something better. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone for watching all of these videos. I know there were a lot and they were very long. I hope everyone who's watching this in the future knows how much I've grown and how much much more interested I am in engineering now, and this is such an amazing program, and I would recommend it to anyone with a minute interest in engineering at all, or even in STEM. I am now going to move forward with that. Thank you everyone for watching. If you want to contact me with any questions, please refer to my email down below. Yeah. Thank you, Blue Stamp. Thank you for everyone who's watched this, and good luck, everyone. Thanks.